Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that the crude is currently trading at around $89.31. Okay, and one important thing that you have to understand that there is continuously a downtrend in the price of crude. Okay, and this is from June, you can say, okay, 2022. After that, what we have seen that it is trying to go upside, but there is a volatility. Before that, there is a U pattern formed. Okay, and from there this pattern didn't sustain and we have seen a downfall continuously. If you check my weekly video where I'll explain, if you check my weekly video, you will understand that there is a pattern forming in the price of crude. If whenever it goes high, we have seen there is a downfall sharp. Okay, but in this particular pattern, what you can see after this particular to fall, okay, what a continuous fall, but we have seen a rise also, we have seen a fall, and I have already explained you that there is a high probability that we can see further fall in the price of crude. Okay, now suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can fall further to a level of 87.70, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of $85. $85 is a strong support, I have already explained you, and from there we can see it can fall further to a level of $83 to $80. Okay, and once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can come down to a level of $77, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 67, and 67 is again a strong support. I've already explained you what at 85 or 77 we can see a bounce back, because these are the support which is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back, but the resistance upside can make it fall it again in the downside. Okay, suppose if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down again to a level of 77, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 70.74, and from there we can see it can fall to a level of $67.8. Once the price fall below that level, then we can see it can fall further down. Okay, I'll make another video if the price fall below that level, or you can check my monthly video. Now you have to look at, suppose if the price now trading at around 89.38, suppose if this particular level sustain, and I have already explained you that it is moving down, but it is quite a volatile, the price quite a volatile, so we can see there can be a rise also if this level sustain. Suppose if this level sustain, there is a high probability we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 90.78, and from there we can see a level of 104 also. Okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 107, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 110. Okay, dollars. Okay, now suppose if this level sustain, we can see a level of $90.78, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $92.7. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then there is high probability we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $96.32, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $97.93. Suppose the price goes up that level, then there is a high probability we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $99, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of $100.97. Suppose if that level also sustain, a probability is high we can see a level of 101.96, and from there the next resistance coming at around $104.55. Okay, if that level also sustain, then there is a high probability we can see it can go to a level of 105, and from there $107. Okay, if the price goes above a level of 107, and I've already explained that 104 is a weak resistance, so probability is high we can see once if it comes close to this level, we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 107. Once the price goes above that level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $111. Okay, and once the price goes up that level, then is a high probability that we can see it can go further higher. 110 is again, if the price goes above a level of 107, a probability is high we can see $110, and from there we can see level 113. And you have to understand that the trend will change towards an upside if the price goes above a level of $111, because then there is a pattern will form which is a higher probability that it can go further higher. Then above that level, then we can see it can go further higher. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So